Nestled between two towering mountains lay a village. It was small and peaceful. Life was simple. The villagers lived in harmony with nature. They shared their joys and sorrows. The mountains watched over them. Amir, Bilal, and Sarah were childhood friends. They grew up playing in the village. They learned from their elders. They dreamt of a happy future for their village. Their bond was strong and unbreakable. The village was their world. Amir was a skilled builder. He could craft sturdy homes. Bilal was a gifted farmer. He knew the secrets of the earth. His crops flourished. Sarah was a healer. Her knowledge of herbs and remedies was vast. She eased suffering and brought comfort. Each had a unique gift. These gifts were meant to be shared. They used their gifts to help the village prosper. Villagers came to them for help. They never turned anyone away. Their friendship was a beacon of hope. One day, dark clouds gathered. The wind howled through the mountains. A fierce storm descended upon the village. It raged for hours. Thunder roared. Lightning flashed. The village was in the storm's path. Houses crumbled. Fields were flooded. The storm subsided. A blanket of silence fell upon the village. The destruction was immense. The villagers were in despair. They had lost their homes and livelihoods. Hope seemed lost. Amir, Bilal, and Sarah met amidst the wreckage. Their hearts were heavy, but their spirits were not broken. They decided to rebuild their village, together. "We can do this," said Amir, his voice filled with determination. "We have the skills. We will rebuild our homes," Bilal added, his gaze steady. "We will plant new crops. And I will heal the injured," Sarah said, her voice soft yet firm. "We will help our village." Their friendship was a beacon of hope.